This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Tammy and Lamb. Lovely, well-maintained, townhome in South Tampa. The townhomes of Tampa Villas South have a unique split-level floor plan with vaulted ceilings on the upper floors, a large eat-in kitchen and a private fenced-in back patio with storage shed. Residents of the community enjoy maintenance-free living with many amenities on the beautiful park-like grounds with mature trees, tropical landscaping, pet-friendly walking and jogging trails, saltwater swimming pool, lighted tennis courts, basketball court, playground and plenty of guest parking. Low, $175, HOA fees maintain all the outdoor amenities and the upkeep of the roof and building exterior. Great location close to Downtown Tampa, Westshore Business District, Tampa International Airport, MacDill Air Force